so that you guys, hello, can play along. Caught me right in the middle of a sentence. So we're taking a good old A minor, that A minor progression that we were talking about, and we're sticking it into summertime. And we've already determined that we have 4 measures to stretch out this progression. So we're going to be playing each note for 2 beats, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now, how many measures was that? I'll tell you, since we're recording. It was 2. And we've got 4 measures we can mess around with this A minor. So what do? We do it again. So you come back up to this 14th fret, and we do it again. So let me show you, let me sing it for you, and then we'll do it together a couple times. So 1, 2, 3, summertime, and the living is back up here, easy. Okay, now let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, summertime, and the living is easy. One more time. Summertime, and the living is easy. And again, all the action is on the G string, and then the other strings, the C, D, and the E, the C, the C, E, and the A, are open strings. They make an A minor chord there. So let me just mention one more thing. We'll get into this a little later in the class, but I'm just strumming down and trying to catch this string where all the action is. But you can also do something like this, where we really are catching a little bit more of this bass line. So what am I doing? I'm catching it with my thumb and really plucking it like that. And then a flick down. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see we can mix and